Brand new strategy to make $580 in 60 minutes with a CPA marketing strategy. All you need is your Gmail account and 2 free traffic methods that I'm going to reveal in this video. Let's get into it. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this to make this money online. So make sure that you watch the entire video because I'll show you the free traffic sources and the sites that you need to make this work. And I guarantee you this is super simple. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name's Alan and I post videos every single day for you to make money online. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell identification icon if you want reliable make money online strategies. With that being said, let's get straight into this video. So the first thing that I want to show you is where you can go to sign up for a CPA marketing site and other alternatives that you have if you can't get onto a site called Max Bounty, which is what I use to promote my CPA marketing offers. Now, the reason why I love CPA marketing or cost per acquisition marketing is that it's awesome for beginners. And the reason for that is you do not need to make a sale. There are a lot of companies that will pay you to get leads, and this is why this strategy works so well. All you need to do is know where to get the traffic, which I'm going to show you at the end of this video, and I'm going to show you how to set this up so it's fully automatic and you don't need to do any of the work, and you will make money with this CPA marketing strategy. So as you can see here, utilizing this strategy in this amount over here, this is not my total, this is my total earnings, but in this total earnings over here, I have made $580 utilizing this strategy, and I'm going to show you how you can do the same. So this is one site, it's called maxbounty.com. Now with maxbounty.com, in order to get registered, you do need to apply for it, and once you apply for it, they will come back, they'll contact you, and they will let you know whether or not you can sign up to Max Bounty and this CPA marketing site. If you're not successful in signing up for this site, you can go to an alternative like offervault.com, and there is another one called cpalead.com. So you can go and try and sign up for these 2 other sites, and then you can start promoting these CPA marketing offers. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to come over to a Gmail account. You want to sign up for a Gmail account. You can use your existing Gmail account if you want, or just create a brand new Gmail account. So I can show you how to do this on autopilot, and this is why I say this is probably the best and easiest method to make money online, and why this is CPA marketing for beginners. Okay, so what you want to do, if you look up here, guys, you've got this setting option over here, and once you click onto settings option over here, you want to go down and you want to click onto settings. Once you click onto settings, very easily, you want to scroll down all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to see this out of office auto reply. Now for yourselves, depending on where you are around the world, it's either going to say out of office or it's going to say vacation leave or vacation care. I'm not sure, it's different in every country. And then this is where you're going to set this up for it to be automatic, and this is what's worked for a lot of my subscribers, and they've been very successful in making money online with this strategy. Okay, I made this video about 6 or 8 months ago, and a lot of people commented that they tried it, they came back and they told me they made really good money, especially with the traffic method that I'm going to show you to use with this method. So what you want to do from here is you want to come back over to Max Bounty, and very simply, if you come down here, you can see you've got this option over here to click onto search campaigns, and once you click onto search campaigns, it's going to take you over to a page that looks like this. Let me just bring it up. So this is going to come up, and once this comes up, what you want to do is you go over to where it says search options, and once you click onto search options, I want to show you what you need to search for to make sure that you're not breaking any rules with Max Bounty, because CPA affiliate marketing offers or CPA marketing offers can have some strict rules behind how you promote. So what you want to do, you want to make sure that you turn this off, turn display off, turn search off, incentive, leave social media, leave email, because we're going to be using our Gmail account and we're going to be using social media, so turn everything else off. And then what you want to do is you can quite simply click onto search, just so I can show you exactly how this works. And another option that you have over here is you can go over here and just leave per lead. We don't want sales, we want per lead. And then just click onto search. It's going to now generate a whole heap of different types of offers. Okay, so when you go over here, you can see these are all your offers, and then what you want to do over here is you've got your CPA rate. You click onto that and it's going to start to filter from lowest to highest. Okay, so click on that one more time and it's going to filter from lowest to highest. As you can see, now we're starting to see all these promotions come up. But what you want to do, the trick to this is we're going to be promoting gift cards, and the reason we're going to be promoting gift cards is because you're going to be looking for people that need money, and I'm going to show you how you're going to get them to sign up for this gift card that they can potentially win to make $1,000, and that it's not going to cost them anything. It's absolutely for free, which you can imagine how many people will just supply their email address so they can go in a draw to win $1,000, and you will make X amount of dollars over and over again. So let me show you how we're going to do this, and we're going to double down with 2 gift card offers. So what you want to do is you want to quite simply come over here and you want to type in PayPal. And once you type in PayPal, you're going to see over here, you're going to get 2 options over here to promote PayPal gift cards. The other option that you have over here is you can come over here and you can type in Amazon. Okay, once you type in Amazon, it's going to give you a whole range of different CPA marketing offers that Amazon provides you. Okay, so you come over here, you click on to search. And as you can see, you've got a whole range of different types of Amazon gift cards that you can promote, okay? Win $1,000 Amazon gift card over here, you get paid $2.85 over and over again. And when I click onto this Amazon gift card over here, now everything that I'm going to do now, gift card, I want you to do exactly the same with PayPal as well. So as you can see, the commission you're going to make from promoting this is $2.85 per lead. Okay guys, there is absolutely no sales, and in the description up here you just need to make sure that if they've got any restrictions to promoting these different types of gift cards, when you come over to here, it's automatically going to tell you whether or not you are approved or whether or not you need to apply to be approved for this particular offer. And what I love about these is there's absolutely no daily cap, so you can make as much money as possible with this particular offer, and that means $100, $200, $300 as much as you want. This is why I love these CPA marketing offers and why I believe these are CPA marketing offers for beginners. Okay, so when you come down here, you can see that it is mobile optimized and it's fantastic. So what you want to do from here is you come over to here where it says build a tracking link. So you click onto, and then what you want to do is you want to come over here, you want to click onto social and just a raw link, okay, over here. This is going to give you this long link over here. I'm going to show you how to shorten that. Remember what I said, everything that you do for this particular offer, you're going to do for PayPal as well, and you're going to promote 2 gift cards. So you're going to give people twice the amount of opportunity to make this money online, which means they're twice as likely to click onto your offer so that you can make money with CPA marketing. So what you want to do now is you want to copy this link over here. Once you copy this link, you want to bit.ly.com, bitly.com. Now you can sign into Bitly, it's up to you. You don't have to sign in. What you can do is you come over here, paste this link over here, okay, this long link over here, and just click onto shorten. Once you do that, it's going to give you this nice short link over here, or you can go in and you can customize this link. You don't have to. You're going to copy that, okay, so we've copied that link over there. Now I'm going to show you how to set up your automatic responder so that you don't need to do any of the work. Then I'm going to show you how you're going to get this free traffic so that you can make money online with this strategy. So if we come back over to a Gmail account, so if we come over to here, so what you want to do when you get over here, you just want to quickly type out. I'm going to quickly type this out, then I'm going to read it out to you. So I've just quickly filled this out for you, and if you have a look here, it says how to get a free $1,000 gift card double chance. And then over here I've just written, hi, here is a link for your chance to get a free gift card. And when you come over here, basically there's one for Amazon and one for PayPal. And why do we have 2? Because now you've gone from the potential of making $2.85 for every single email that you send to $5.70, guys. So you've doubled the opportunity for yourself to make money with CPA marketing. Do you see how powerful this is? And now I'm going to show you where you're going to go to get this free traffic. But before I do that, if we come back over to Max Bounty over here, if I come back over to here, if we scroll down here, I want to show you something. If I copy this link and I come over to here, I want to show you what it looks like and what everyone is going to see once they click onto this. I want to show you how easy this is and how quickly they can do this. It takes literally a few seconds for them to sign up for you to make money online with this. So this is what they're going to see. Win a $1,000 Amazon gift card. They're going to click onto this. Do you ever shop online? Yes, a lot. What do you mainly shop for online? Clothing. Do you shop at Amazon? Yes. Congratulations, you are qualified to enter. Complete the registration. So you click onto this. Once they click onto this, all they need to do, once his screen pops up, is complete their details and then click onto this to confirm their voucher, and they go into the draw to win $1,000. This is how powerful this strategy is, and this is why this is one of the easiest CPA marketing for beginners strategy, and this is why I love it, and this is why previous subscribers have had really good success with this and made money online. Now, the free traffic methods, I'm going to show you 2. The first one, which is very, very simple, I'm going to go to now. So the first social media site that you can use is Twitter, and I'm going to show you exactly why Twitter, because there is a way that you can search for people that are looking for money, that need money, okay, and they could definitely use $1,000 PayPal gift card or $1,000 Amazon gift card. And all you need to do in the search box up here, in inverted commas, if you type in "I need money," okay, so just in inverted commas, and then you hit enter, what's going to happen is when this comes up, what you want to do over here is just go over here and click onto latest. Once you click onto latest, you're going to see that 7 seconds ago, people are on here putting in like 37 seconds ago or 2 minutes ago. If you scroll down, there are people writing, "I need money, I need money, I need money." And what you want to do is you want to comment, and this is what you're going to comment. You're going to comment if you would like the chance to get a free Amazon or PayPal gift card valued at $1,000. Email me on this email address over here, which is my email address. Share this with anybody that you know may need some money. So you come over here, you copy this, okay, so you minimize this, and then what you do is you quite simply reply back. So you come over to here and you paste this, and then you hit reply. And once you hit reply, what's going to happen, if we come over to my account over here, my Gmail account, what I'm going to do is it's going to reply automatically with this text over here to anybody that emails you. Why? Because you've turned your out of office reply on, and anybody that emails you to this email address, they're going to get this automatically. So you don't need to email anybody, you don't need to speak to anybody. All you need to do is go and find people that are looking for money. This is how simple this strategy is. So you come over here and look at how many people are on here looking for "I need money." We've got 17 minutes ago, we've got 19 minutes ago, and then you can search for "I need money." You can, do you know a way that I can make money? Any type of search that you can potentially think of, go in here and put it in there, and then simply comment. And what they will do is they will click onto your link, they will email you, they're going to get that email back. And what they're going to do is they're going to click on your Bitly link, they're going to sign up, and every single person that signs up, you stand the chance to make $2.85. And if they sign up to both, then you can make $5.70. This is why you can make money with CPA marketing. It's a very effective way that you can make money online, and this is for beginners, guys. It's super, super simple. So this is one strategy that you can do. There are many, many social media sites that you can do this with. The second one that you can use this with, that I've spoken about before, is through Make Money Online groups. So if you come over to here and you type in Make Money Online, okay, very, very easily Make Money Online. But not just Make Money Online groups, you can do this through gift card groups as well. There are gift card groups that you can go over here. If I click onto groups, you can see that I'm joined to so many different types of groups, and it's very, very simple. You can just quite simply just comment and say, "Hey, if you'd like $1,000 chance to win $1,000 gift card, let me know and I'll send you my email address." And then potentially people will reply back to you. 100% they will reply back to you. Or what you can do is privately message people that have typed in "I need money," or if you can see people that are regularly posting on any one of these different types of groups, you stand the opportunity to make good money online with CPA marketing. This strategy is very powerful, and a lot of these groups have tens of thousands of people in there that are looking for ways to make money online, and an opportunity to get a free gift card is an awesome way for them to make money online. And check out some of these groups. They have over 60,000 members, so the opportunity for you to make money online is huge with this strategy. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. As always, I'll have a couple of playlists up here of different ways that you can make money online. One of them will be an affiliate marketing playlist, so you can get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. I'll have an awesome video coming your way tomorrow of different ways that you can make money online. Until then, you guys take care and goodbye.